All right, today we're gonna bring a 50-foot water stainless steel water hose. Now, the reason I got this was because I do own a dog, and the last water hose, it didn't last but a week. So this is perfect if you have pets that like to chew on things. This is gonna protect your water hose. Now, included with it, a nozzle, so you could change different various sprays. Very simple, and then a lock, of course, with it, and it's green style. This guy tore up the last water hose we had here. It was a big mess. It's short now. We only use it to fill in buckets. That's pretty much what we do use it for. So we're gonna replace it with the stainless steel one. So let's go ahead and do that. Another thing I forgot to mention, that they give you these seals. The seals belonging to the water hose. In case you see it leaking on one of the ends, you actually set it up. This is my old one. If you guys can see it, it still has the old seal. So this was the result of my dog now. So let's test out the nozzle. If you guys can see the point center, right? So it's going to be center. You're going to shoot here center, and then we're going to go to full. We'll move it to flat. Shower, cone, check, soak, angle, mist, half burst, center. Overall, I like the water hose. It survived a couple days already. My dog tried to chew it. He gave up on it. We hung it up here, and it's working very well. So it's a little tangle. We're gonna mess around with it and clean it up some more, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video.